Hello everyone, and welcome to today's presentation. I'm excited to have you here as we explore HVAC maintenance, focusing on window and split air conditioners. We'll be covering systems that use R22 and R410a refrigerants. In this session, we'll go over key maintenance practices, common issues, and tips to keep your systems running efficiently. So, let's dive in and get started. Let's talk about the responsibilities within our project team. A key aspect here is having a clear reporting structure. This means that everyone knows exactly who they report to, starting from the project manager down to the AC helpers. Such clarity is vital because it helps ensure accountability. Everyone understands their roles and what is expected of them. It also promotes smooth operation, making sure information flows efficiently and issues are addressed promptly. By establishing this clear structure, we set the foundation for a well-organized and effective team, which is essential for the success of our project as a whole. Let's talk about safety tips, which are essential to ensure a secure working environment. First and foremost, always use your personal protective equipment, or PPE. This includes a helmet to protect your head, gloves to guard your hands, and safety glasses to shield your eyes. Wearing the right gear is crucial because it significantly reduces the risk of injury. Another key point is to ensure power isolation before performing any maintenance. This step is vital because working on energized equipment can be extremely dangerous. By disconnecting and confirming that the power is off, we prevent potential electrical shocks or accidents. Remember, these safety measures are not just guidelines, but fundamental practices that help keep everyone safe on site. When we follow these tips consistently, we support a safer work environment and uphold our overall safety standards. Let's take a closer look at the inspection points. First, it's essential to check the thermostat to ensure it's functioning correctly and maintaining the proper temperature settings. Next, we want to examine the condenser fan motor, which plays a crucial role in dissipating heat from the system. We also need to inspect the capacitor, as it provides the necessary startup power for the motor and compressor. Speaking of the compressor, it's vital to verify that it's operating smoothly and efficiently. Lastly, don't forget to look for any possible leaks in the condenser or evaporator coils, since leaks can significantly impact system performance and efficiency. These checks are fundamental to maintaining a reliable and effective cooling system, tying back to our overall goal of ensuring optimal operation and energy efficiency. Now, let's talk about compressor and component replacement. The main steps involve replacing the compressor itself, which is essentially the heart of the cooling system. After that, we need to fix any leaks in the condenser and evaporator coils, because leaks can seriously impair system performance. And finally, we replace the thermostat along with the capacitor to ensure proper regulation and electrical function. These steps are crucial because they directly impact the efficiency and reliability of the system. By addressing these key components, we can restore optimal operation and extend the lifespan of the unit. This process ties into the overall theme of maintaining system integrity and ensuring everything runs smoothly. Sure, here is the word-by-word narrative script for slide 6 of 6. Let's talk about some practical energy efficiency tips that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. First, maintaining your indoor temperature between 22 and 24 degrees Celsius is ideal. It helps keep your space comfortable while also saving energy. Remember to keep your air filters clean because dirty filters make your HVAC system work harder, which uses more energy. Securing your doors and windows is equally important. Leaving them open or not sealing them properly can lead to unnecessary energy loss. And finally, make sure to turn off your air conditioning when you're not using it. These small adjustments add up and can significantly reduce your energy consumption, supporting our overall goal of creating a more sustainable and energy-efficient environment.